Hi, I'm Chris Steele, Managing Director of Marquis Broadcast, and in this short video I'm going to explain how Marquis Broadcast's automated workflow solution, Medway, can really make your work flow. Medway is all about moving sequences, media and metadata from A to B, particularly between incompatible systems. Medway automated workflows ensure that the right media and metadata arrive in the right format as quickly as possible and that all systems are updated. In particular, Medway is the fastest possible way to export from Avid to other systems. It's fast because the preparation and transfer is performed by a Medway server, freeing up Media Composer and allowing the editor to move on to the next piece of work immediately. It's reliable as there are less human errors because all workflows are predefined. And it's cost effective, offering much more flexibility and speed compared to more expensive competitors. Medway workflows can include metadata processing, media transcoding and or rewrapping, audio matrixing and closed captioning. All Medway processing is on the fly. In other words, the media does not touch the disk from source to target. It's very flexible and can be extended to include multiple linked workflows, multiple load sharing servers, multi-site and redundant failover. The Medway workflow can be started by an editor, a MAM operation, an automation system, or just a file appearing in a folder. We support a wide variety of different systems and regularly add new ones to meet customer need. Medway handles both editable sequences and flat media files. Medway can start to transfer media whilst it's being recorded or created, and where the source system supports a way of browsing the media, Medway will provide that to the user. Once the workflow has started, it can gather metadata from many sources, including the user. In this example, it's paused to request DPP AS11 metadata, some of which must be completed before the workflow can continue. This type of metadata capture screen is configurable to match each workflow. If needed, Medway will ensure that the media is transcoded to the codec and profile required by the target. Again, this happens on the fly without the need for any data to hit the disk. Similarly, we can check that the media wrapper is as required by the target system. This includes the different flavors of the same standard required by different manufacturers, and making sure the right metadata is set so that the target system accepts the media without further processing. Audio processing can become very complex with the mapping and merging of audio tracks and bit depth conversion. One Medway customer supports 96 languages live. Particularly in the US, closed captioning can be a hugely complex addition to the workflow. Medway will add, remove or duplicate closed captions and merge them with other data such as Nielsen and TiVo before transmission. At the end of the workflow, Medway can write to a large number of systems via APIs, watch folders, XML metadata files, etc. Medway makes sure that the media and the metadata are where they need to be and in the prescribed format. Like everything about Medway, its architecture is highly configurable. In this example, Medway is supporting a number of edit workstations connected to edit storage and 2 video servers. This includes integration to a media asset management system with browse EDL capability and an automation system. Medway is scalable in many ways to ensure that the right media is transferred optimally. Marquis has many customers around the world, each with their own workflow requirements, and many entrust thousands of media transfers to Medway every day. And we work closely with many different manufacturers, often licensing APIs or other IP from them, or licensing our IP to them. Marquis has a unique mix of highly specialized skills and knowledge. From nonlinear editors through media standards, we can perform workflow analysis, cross-platform integration solutions, and design and deliver workflows. Whatever your workflow problem, Marquis will be able to help. So that's how Marquis Broadcast Medway makes workflow. Thank you for listening.